How's it going, everybody? My name is John. I'm here with Patrick Volvo. Today we got the 2024 Volvo XC40 Recharge. Let's go take a look. I'll tell you all about it. Alright, a couple of interesting things about the exterior I want to go over with you. First of all, being the paint color. This color is called Sage Green. I absolutely love this color. It really fits in with the kind of eco-friendly, kind of sustainable vibe of a green electric car. So it's nice to have a green car that's also a green car, if you know what I'm saying. This car also has the diamond cut 20-inch wheels. These are upgraded wheels. I absolutely love the look of them. Volvo makes some of the best wheels in the industry as far as I'm concerned. This one being a Recharge as well, you're going to see it has a black roof. All of the Recharges have black roofs, and then you also have a Recharge branding on the side of the car here as well to let everybody know. Another cool thing is that the front grille is kind of filled in, unlike you'd see on a regular gas version. It doesn't need that extra air coming into the engine, being that there isn't one. So they just do a nice body color cladding here as well. This one also has surround view cameras. So you got your front camera right in the Volvo logo there. You got cameras underneath the mirrors, and then your traditional backup camera as well to give you that bird's eye 360 view. Let's take you around the back, show you some other things with it. Now alongside the back of the car, first thing to talk about is your charge port. It's going to open up just like your traditional gas flap here, and you got your two-stage charging here as well, with a light indicator to let you know when you're charging, when the car is charged, and when it's at idle on standby mode waiting for a specific time to charge, which you set inside the vehicle. Then you just close it up, give it a nice little click there. And then nice traditional Volvo styling. You're not going to see too big of differences compared to your normal gas model XC40. But you do also obviously have a lack of tailpipes. This car, again, no engine, no tailpipes. Doesn't need them. And then you got your clean design back here again with your Volvo insignia there. And you have on the other side your Recharge badge. Again, just letting people know, hey, I got the electric one. I'm saving the planet. Alright, so driving the Recharge. And first thing that I really like driving an electric car is that you don't need to press a start button to get going. You just kind of put your foot on the brake, rock your kind of gear stick into drive, and you're off. It's kind of one less step that you got to do when you get in, kind of fumbling with all your stuff, put it down. You just kind of put your foot on the brake, ready to go right away. And then, of course, being an electric car, it's quiet. So no road noise. And super kind of calming experience. Usually whenever I'm driving an electric car, I tend to not even put on the radio. I just kind of sit here in silence while I'm driving and just kind of take my mind off things. Just overall kind of a really peaceful place to be. And you're not as kind of distracted or kind of loud music and things like that. Drivers on the road annoying you. You just kind of sit back and you're just kind of at peace, kind of going where you're going. I really like that feeling. And then overall Volvos, I really do like their aesthetics. They do a great job with their interiors. All the fit and finish is where you expect it to be, and being an electric car, they actually put a lot more pride in making sure that there's no kind of squeaks or anything like that, to again just kind of overall give you that kind of peaceful silent feeling while you're driving along. But you got all the modern amenities. So you got my wireless charging down here. You've got all your heating and air controls into your screen here as well. You have Google Assistant in here, which is great. Huge digital dash cluster with my maps in it. All the infotainment system is powered by Google in here, which is really cool. So Google Maps, which everyone uses on a daily basis, is all powered right into here and super convenient, and it's always up to date, does over-the-air updates, things like that. So yeah, all the kind of state-of-the-art things that you would expect in a modern car. Also love the fact that you got this huge panoramic sunroof. Usually cars of this size don't come with as big of a sunroof as this, so it's really nice having this kind of open greenhouse effect while you're driving along. I also am still getting used to the one pedal driving. Some people like it, some people don't. But once you get used to it, it is nice when you're coming up to a light just to kind of take your foot off. When the car comes to a full stop, you just leave your foot off. And then when you're ready to go, just hit the gas again. There's no kind of always keeping your foot down on a pedal. You can kind of relax in between. Like I'm coming up to a light here, and I just take my foot off the brake, off the gas, and I'm coming to a stop, And, oh, well, light turned green again, but you get the point. Yeah, just another thing that kind of calms you down as you're driving and allows you to kind of relax as you're going from A to B. So with the Recharge, this is the single motor variant. You get 293 miles of range, which I think is great for just about a week of average driving. And then you have 248 horsepower, which is absolutely plenty in a little SUV like this. It gets up and goes. And then from charging from 10% to 80% only takes about 20 minutes. And they actually recommend that you only charge your electric car up to 80% to increase the longevity of the lifespan of the battery. So yeah, 28 minutes plugged in, not bad at all. And the XC40 really is a great size. I think a lot of people are driving cars that are way too bigger than they need to be these days. Don't get me wrong, I love the XC90, but not everyone needs 7 seats. So being the XC40, kind of our mid-range SUV, plenty of room for 5 people to go somewhere. And you still got a big trunk in the back to put all your stuff too. So if you're going to IKEA, having a nice Swedish day in your Swedish car, you got plenty of room to put all of your furniture in. Of course, being a Volvo, they care a lot about safety, as everyone should. So this car has all of the modern safety features. You'll find blind spot detection, frontal collision warning, lane departure warnings, rear collision warnings, all of those. And you also have vibrating features in the seats as well, and audible noises that'll give you warnings for any upcoming things that are going on around you. Yeah, so overall, I really like driving the XC40 Recharge. If an electric car fits your lifestyle, I would heavily consider one. But if it doesn't, we also have the standard XC40 also, which is another great car. All right, everybody. Well, that is all I've got for you today. I hope you really enjoyed this video going over the XC40 Recharge. Stay tuned for new videos coming up soon. Have a great day. Go green.